I have confirmed that WPO365 is able to retrieve the Azure AD group memberships for a user. And now I'm ready to use that to define rules to dynamically assign WordPress roles to users based on the Azure AD groups that they are a member of. And to do that, I will go to the user registration page and I will scroll down to the section for roles and access. And here I can enter mappings between Azure AD groups on the one hand side and WordPress roles on the other. Let's define a mapping. For this I would need, first of all, the object ID of the group that I would define a mapping for. So let's navigate in a different browser tab to entramicrosoft.com and let's expand the identity tab, basically your Azure AD instance, and let's look at the groups available and let's select a group for which we want to create a new mapping. Let's say for the all users groups, I would like to create a mapping. All users in my tenant should become contributor. So I select the object ID of this group. With the object ID for this group copied to the clipboard, I will return to the WPO365 configuration page and I will paste the object ID and I select the role, for example, contributor. To add a role, I need to click the plus. Now the mapping has been added and it appears grayed out. I cannot change it, but I can remove it if I want it. When I have finished creating all the mappings that I would like to create, I need to scroll down and click to save the configuration. Because I saved the configuration, the rule is already active. So I can already go and test this with a test user, for example. However, before I'm ready to test it, I will need to look at the update strategy, and I will do that in the next step.